hi, you're in my video now.
Oh,
Oh my gosh, it's so cute! I really like how this turned out. It makes me want to vomit. I do hate it. Welcome to Hi Stylin, where I deconstruct outfits I made after eating gummies and turn them into wearable looks. Let's see what wondrous outfit Jaime has for us today. Whoa! It's just bigger and badder in real life. Who do you think won this look? Regular me or Jaime? And be honest, if you said Jaime, are you high? This is so good!
Well done, regular me.
The point was to make the look more wearable. I don't love it. So far, I feel like I made the outfit worse. Jaime tricked me. It's not looking good for regular me. I'm not giving up that easily. I think it tied knots in my hair. There are people walking by, and I'm wearing a scarf on my head. I'm ready. I was just getting out of breath. I'm getting my blood pressure taken. I'm so happy right now. And I'm kind of proud. Hell yeah. You win, Jaime. I totally won. It's like malicious compliance with the dress code. Well played. I thought they were gonna be more round.
sharing positive wearable.